We are doing HVAC sports. Just watch. Just watch.
Okay, let's see if I get all this right. Jared over there. That's Henry running right there. Casey right there. Sean and Cameron all the way over there, but can't see him. Let's do this. Casey's pitching. Hope it doesn't hit me.
Hold on. I did my warm-ups. Too. Okay. This one's so small. So yours. What? It's too small. Shoot!
That's Cameron.
You missed him picking up the new bat.
Oh, he picked up a new shit.
Jared, you ass. You're not gonna make it now.
That's second base, by the way. This is baseball if you haven't caught on to what we're doing.
Who's the pitcher? Cameron, you pitching?
Oh, no, it's
Who's the pitcher?
We got a pitcher. Fuck, I'll do it. Where the ball be? Watch his ass. Get your ass back. No stealing, bitch.
No stealing. That's the play.
You pitching? We ain't got the frisbee no more.
Wait.
We need a fucking ball.
No, you didn't.
Go, kid. Come on, Cam, man.
Send me home, bro.
Don't let it go, please.
Go, Casey, go!
Get it, Cameron! Get his ass! Cameron, you fucking... Yeah!
Hey, I got both of y'all home.
Oh, come on,
I
dude.
wanted to beat you up on video.
I didn't get it. Do it again.
No.
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it.
No, you gotta do it again.
What the fuck?
Damn it, Jerry!
I'm not playing. I'm a fucking camera guy.
No one cares about you.
We need a bigger damn ball.
It's not even tossing it. He's just throwing it.
You are the sorriest piece of shit.
Sean, you should be the pitcher.
Shit, throw it. Where do you think you fucking going?
This ain't prison rules.
Can't have two people get his ass.
Wait for it to take. Right?
If you throw it, tell me you can't.
This is pitiful.
Do what you guys were doing yesterday.
It was a lot better yesterday. It was. We had more people too.
You put this video on YouTube on your account.
I am.
Oh yeah,
I got this video. I got like a 10-minute video.
Okay.
Yeah, use his too, Luis.
Okay.
When you get done, why don't you put both of them on that?
All right, I will. Sean missed the ball, so now Casey's running home. Bella second. She's going to third. Casey reached home, so did Bella.
Yeah!
You gotta make a new fucking ball.
Celebrate too much. Hold it, we gotta get bigger.
I hear bass. Who's playing music?
Fella, tell Lane he's still got food out here.
Oh shit.
I'm celebrating. What is this? A red spot right above your ass.
I think he has a red spot.
I got hit with a Rice Krispie treat.
Yeah, he has a red spot.
Is that good? No, thank you. You have bigger balls.
Y'all gotta start getting people out. Come on now.
There's like one out, ain't it? Well, if it wouldn't go in the most goddamn fucking ridiculous places, are we still going with this tape? We done used up this whole roll of fucking tape. Get it done like that.
Casey, let me see your phone.
Jerry,
I'm about to
get on second.
upload my thing to YouTube.
Who's getting on third then? Nobody.
Upload the video to you, my YouTube account. Hold up.
How you doing?
My YouTube account.
I know, but like,
Yeah.
At least you need to get some faster reflexes. Cameron, you're the worst fucking baseball player I've ever seen in my life.
That's Cameron. Everybody's hating on him.
don't go.
Don't let go of the bat, bro.
Yeah, you gonna kill me. What the? You can't outrun Jerry. Come on, juke his ass. Right here, buddy. I don't even know. I didn't know we were keeping score.
Cameron, look at that.
I got the sorriest piece of shit players in the world. You got like the athletic good people.
A minute ago, the ball flew right past your head.
It's me, Cameron, and Jerry.
A minute ago, the ball flew past your fucking head. Ow!
You got yourself out. Good job. That's a foul. That's a foul.
I almost wrong that.
But he's got them yesterday playing hockey and stuff too.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we've been doing sports lately. Cameron, you piece of crap!
Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Get it on video this time. Get it on video.
Beating his ass in. Holy crap.
Whip.
Jared here just went brute.
I guess that one's done.
Oh my god, you.
Thank you.